kinga kodi malawi rekodi malawi enogeto tutuse bana nyingira nabo ibyo sabu tutuse itis baba kulembeze baraka kwa kulinda maisha wewe unakuwa kwa sasa hivi abantu bamenye kibamanda. Some people thought it's a joke when we talk about protest vote. Remember, we never something away the march again. Singing about the mountain, so they can kuleta mama. Singing about the mountain, kuleta bajaji. Agina kuleta mama, agina kuleta bajaji, agina kuleta masika, wanaona, agina kuleta mtamani mtani, ameleta takuta. But guess what? We are going to win. We are going to win the point. Because people united cannot be defeated. They have done their worst. 2021 by the SMC. Katuan Kaweti, by SGR. Katuan 2026, Jakarta 78 years. We are only going to win if we stay united and if we galvanize our people. I want to say, Dinana Singari, Wakayama Singari, Wakayama Singari, Bakuchi, 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 everybody should rise up. So God, Wakanana, I think sounds weak. The leadership is that we will not have as many leaders in the East as we have now. But who want to have them? Kachino Fushkola for East, then Fushkola for West, then Fushkola for North, then Fushkola for Central. Chita Wakuga. So let's organize. The regime is panicking, my friends. Papa ni programa katika Mateka. Papa ni they brought out their best. Katika ya Adamla from ghetto pale kama sema kuisema. From ghetto kama ya wale baba leo wamekutana katika baba kana mchapa ndani ya wale. Basa abantu baba ya abantu but the people are not giving up. Eso ghetto kama there's no amount of money they can give, they can use. There's no amount. So that's not what they do. What was about standing up, then people are standing up. But now that I'm talking to you, the leaders, I want to charge you. I want to charge my brothers and sisters. First and foremost, to tell people the truth. If you tell people the truth, people will trust you. People will trust you. People will follow you. I want you to look at me as an example. I did not come to you as the most educated or the most talented. I was only relying on the truth, and the truth is free. It is not for sale. Finally, you know in all those constituencies, and I'm talking to the people in the East, but I hope people from all over the country get this message. New one is naenda kumbaka malaika na mnaona wapo. Mani kwa constituency today, ewali abantu balekela bamse. Nema ni twali nabo abekula opposition naika kubamani. this. You could be the next. I could be the next. So we must treat this cause with the utmost seriousness. So many people gave up on all dreams because we want to be free. We must not be fooled. We must keep moving and moving diligently and honestly. Abantu b'ekawempe bakimanyi, abantu b'ekimanyi akawempe bakimanyi, abantu b'ennyendo omukungu bakimanyi, abantu b'enkubi bakimanyi. Namwe mukimanyi kibeki.
Yeah, man.
Kati now, ladies and friends, we have an opportunity. Kekalulu. Akalulu first and foremost, sijja kuyimirira abaganda Museveni. Tulina mwanga abulangi n'enjagala bawulire bwekulemerako watakwata okukopa. Museveni is spending more than 10 billion shillings of taxpayers' money in Kawempe. Era n'alagira nti under whatever circumstances mukoleka bwe bakola enkayunga era bantu bagenda kukola nga bakola enkayunga balangire bulangizi bwe baagala. Era abaana be bakugamba gamba muzannya. Kyokka abaana be baffe balinalo nebagamba muyisi mulinalo. Njagala mukole kye mukola kyonna nga tebalina obusobi kugenda Uganda mpya. omukwano gwo ne president omukwano gwo ne secretariat si kyekigenda okukozesa kaali ekuli people power era ekiri mu bantu kyekugenda okugulirira. Therefore all of you go and connect with the people, persuade the people, because we will be sending you not only as a politician but as the commander to command these our people into a mission to liberation. Basaba ne banyago njagala okwano abakaliza emisajja Katonda. I want to wish you the best. I want to assure you that if we are strong, if we stay together, we are going to win. We are going to win. So the organizing our ground because at the end of the day we are going to also come to Buzabantu kakatino bayingiza ne bagamba mbagalize ekisa nekisekyaliwala buli muntu